Hi everybody, good afternoon. This is Sudhir from Fluent Spoken Classes. Do you know about Fluent Spoken Classes? What is Fluent Spoken Classes? Do you know about what it means of fluent? Dhara Prawa. If you know my Fluent Spoken Classes can make anyone fluent Spoken Classes because na it is don't take fits and rank and fits because this coaching is bigger depression this coaching and you want to speak fluent English so you will have to join this coaching because this coaching can make anyone fluent English and you know about this this coaching magnificent this coaching can make anyone fluent English and everybody accustomed to speak fluent English and you can look everybody will tell you what is English you so please cameraman show everybody.
Start.
If you will look everybody thereafter you can look my coaching both you can look firstly you should show my coaching and secondly you will have to show all students. Please show cameraman, please show my coaching and secondly you show everybody and go by you should go with everybody and you should ask his everybody's name.
Okay, go.
Hey everyone, I am Aryan Singh Yadav. I study class 8th Standard Sunrise Public School. Right now I am present here fluent spoken classes beside of raw classes. Today I will tell about you know very well English is too much important as how you will speak English and how when you will join my institute thereafter you will know all things how will speak English and right now you also know very well English is too much important but when you will speak English thereafter all people is like to you but when you will speak English when you will join my fluent spoken classes thereafter you will speak how know you know also how will you speak English. Okay, bye bye.
Hi, I am Diya Gatam. I study in class 6.
Standard.
I study in class 6.
Hi, good evening. I am Nitin Kumar. I am from Georgia. I am pursuing class 11th class. I did my primary certificate college. My coaching is student class. My coaching sir name is Surya sir. My coaching is too much good. My coaching besides the Hare Krishna library. Best. Okay.
Hello sir, my name is Vishal Kumar Yadav.
Hi, I am Priya. In this time I am pursuing in fluent spoken classes. Do you know my coaching is too much good. And if you will come for the first time my coaching is make a good speaker, how to speak in English. And if you will come in my coaching, so you know very well what is the rule of in fluent speaking. In this time a lot of students to join my coaching, and I think in this time I am feeling too much good because here is a present a lot of students. And if I will come for the first time, so you don't know what is English. I think if you will come for the first time and if you will come daily in my coaching, so you know very well how to speak English, and I know very well how to speak. I have spent only 1 month. Really, I am speaking too much good. That's all. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Prince. I am pursuing fluent spoken classes.
That's all.
Thank you. Hi, I am
बस.
Hello, Karan Yadav. Hey everyone, this is Very. Hey everyone, this is Young. I study in class 5th from Via Convent English School. You know how to speak fluent English? You don't know, so you can come my coaching and you can learn fluent English. That's all.
Hi everyone, this is Jyotkar from Fluent Spoken Classes and you should join Fluent Spoken Classes because if you will join thereafter you can, because Fluent Spoken get good English spoken and Fluent Spoken will get cricket played. That's all. That's thank you. That's thank you सही है.
Hey everyone, this is Muskan Gatam from. Hey everyone, this is Muskan Gatam. That's all about it.
बोलो.
Hey everyone, my name is Balram. Hey everyone, good evening. This is Somesh Club from Hamid Patni.
That's all about me.
Great, bro. What can I?
Everyone, good afternoon. This is Samasana. Do you know about this coaching? Coaching is very well good. I am pursuing class 10th. Okay.
बोलो.
Hello friends, good evening. This is Sayya Shukla from Hamid Patni. I am pursuing class 8 from Rajan Yamuna Girls Center College, Zehrampur, Ghosia, and I did spoken classes. They are 7 members. My family, Mr. Vinod Shukla, my father, he is good lawyer. Mrs. Neelam Devi, my mother, she is good housewife. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am hardworking twin learner after mistakes entire in my life to my end because doctor, that's all about me. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Hello everyone. Good evening. I am Stuti Pal from Aunai branch. I am pursuing in class 11. Do you know this coaching is a very good. This coaching can make everyone speak English. Please join this coaching. Hey everyone, this is approximate 2 classes for right branch.
बोलो.
Hey everyone, good evening. I am Shruti Pal. That's all about me.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is Vivek from Fluent Smoke Classes. I am going to tell about this coaching. You know about this coaching? You don't know, so you should know, because when we had come that we don't know about Fluent Smoke Classes. We don't know how to speak English, and we don't know how to skill, and we don't know about uses. But this time we know that how to speak English, and we know knowledges, and we know about uses. So I am going to tell that if you don't know English, so you should join and you should learn English, because without English you cannot successful, because you know that this generation is not good, that if you want to speak English, so you should join this coaching, because without this coaching you cannot speak English. So my sir has wait. So hello everyone. So my sir will get a cricket plate. So my sir would like to tell about this Fluent Cricket Association. So come here. So my sir is going to speak. So listen.
Hey everyone, good evening. This is Surya from Fluent Smoke Classes. Right now we have written something only for you. Whatever we are writing, you should know everything is right. Why we are going to write? We are going to write only for your future, that many students have joined with us. They have a dream, they want to fulfill it. And which time mind they have, they are going to do everything else. But try to know one thing, whatever we are doing, it is not a simple task. It is a very tough task. Each one. By the way, actually I'm in coaching and I'm about to go to Ugabur. But I would like to tell something about my coaching, about I'm going to speak, and I'm going to tell all students, please join with us. Actually, you are going to join with me, you will get a 2 profit. First profit, you will get personality development. Life is apart from all. There are 2 types of life. First है दिखावटी और second है reality. So you should work on reality. अगर reality आपका मजबूत है ना, दिखावटी ऑटोमेटिक काम कर जाएगा. क्यों? जैसे अभी हमने क्रिकेट खेलना है. Just I have taken one bat. I want to show you. Just I have purchased it. Of what is salary, what is price of it? Don't ask to me, because I do not want to tell this out, because I have not purchased. My student had purchased this. So this bat had been got in this coaching only for cricket tournament. And we know one thing very well. We are not going to purchase only bat. We will need poster, banner, prize, medal, trophy, everything I will give. But I know part of business. Business is not a single-handed. It will take a lot of hand. And I have hand. I have secretary, chief secretary, CMD, president, vice president. Everything I have. And I can manage everything else. And we have a lot of teams that we can manage. There are many students I want to show you. So please all students, please speak high. Speak high everyone. They are our high students, and I want to show you something. Na? We have taken one hockey. Do you know what? Why I have taken hockey? Because we are going to play cricket. Hockey लिया ना कि actually क्या है ना कि कभी काल hockey का भी काम लग जाता है. What काम? Even I don't know what काम. But I know कभी काल लग जाता है. So that is why we have taken hockey with support from our side. And I have taken 3 stamps. You want to know what 3 stamps? And I have taken ball or everything, but I cannot show all things in video. I want to show you demo. तो 3 stamp भी मतलब stamp sheet लिया है. 3 दिखाओ सर आप लोगों को. Why? Because कि अब 6 क्या दिखाऊं मैं? वो अंदर है. तो कहने तत्पर है कि if you want to join Fluent, so you can get many things. स्पीकिंग तो पाएंगे ही, साथ में पर्सनालिटी पाएंगे, मॉडलिटी पाएंगे. हम भले गांव से हैं, हमारी विचारधारा गांव से उठती होगी, लेकिन तनिक भी गांव हटी नहीं है. हम विचारधारा और गांव वाले होते हैं. गांव वाले ज्यादा मजबूत होते हैं, स्ट्रांग होते हैं, हर चीज में मजबूत होते हैं, और उनको पता होता है लाइफ क्या है. So I will not speak more. I will go from here and I will talk another day. So thank you so much. Please join Fluent classes. It will make you good speaker within 3 months, and you can feel what different we are going to give. There are a lot of spoken classes, a lot of coachings here, but all cannot compare to us because our mind is apart from all. And if our mind is apart from all, then no one can defeat it anyhow. So we will not speak more. I would like to pay my respect to you all. If you're watching my video, so please tell to all about Fluent and join with us. If you want to speak good English, so definitely join with us. If you want to play cricket in your life, definitely, so just join with us. Because come what may, I will let cricket play at Kasiraj Stadium at 11 March. And there are 4 cricket, so we cannot take any data. But we are going to take my meeting of 9 March. In meeting, I will release everything. इसको बोलते हैं press release. So we will release and I will tell everything. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Meet you another day. Bye bye.